Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add a button into your website. It is super simple and super easy. So first of all, you have to log in into Odoo. After that, you have to open your website. Now here you can say I have opened my website. From there you have to click on edit option where you can add buttons. Just click on that. From there, scroll down a little bit. In a inner content, you can find this button. So, for example, if you want to add button in a service, whatever page you want to add, just go there and click on edit. I want to edit a button where people can contact us. For example, in for I will add a button for contacting him. Just simply drag this button over there. Here we go. This is how you can add button. For example, if you want to customize this button, you can just simply click on that and you will get to see the customization options. But if you want to change the name, you can just simply uh, click on text, remove the text and contact me. For example, I want to add a link. For example, just click on edit link. For example, I will say I will add here Gmail, my Gmail, like 1234@gmail.com. So just this is just example. You can add your own Gmail. So this is the link and click on the save. It will redirect me to mail. Whenever I click on this button, it will redirect it to my mail. I will just simply once click on that. It will take to my email. So this is how you can add the contact button or whatever button you want in your website, or you can just simply edit that button. So if this video helped any ways, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.